Now that the 2023 iPhone models have been released, the next stop on this never-ending ride takes us to New York City for the next Made by Google event, which will take place on October 4th. On that date, we will see Google unveil the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, with pre-orders opening up that very same day. The Pixel Watch 2 will also be unveiled, and Google will add Porcelain and Sky Blue versions of the Pixel Buds Pro True wireless earbuds. Much like in the years past, the Pixel 8 series will be the first to ship with the newest Android operating system, that is, Android 14. Color options, on the other hand, are a different matter, as Google annually updates the available colors with each Pixel smartphone refresh. As per Google's own admission, we know there will be a pink shade of the Pixel 8, while a new sky blue trim of the Pixel 8 Pro is also said to be on the cards. A new leak has now spilled the beans on all the color options of the two flagships just under 2 weeks out from their release. Thanks to detailed renders obtained by the folks at My Smart Price, we are getting a closer look at the Pixel 8's color options, and they're along the lines of what we expected. Starting with the base model, the source reveals the existence of the all-new Peony Rose color, which we've known as pink so far, in addition to gray and the familiar Obsidian, black variant. The corners of the Pixel 8 appear to be more rounded than the Pixel 7, although the curves are not as prominent as on the recently leaked Pixel 8 prototype. Meanwhile, the Pixel 8 Pro should be available in Obsidian, Porcelain, and the new Sky Blue trim per these leaked renders. So it seems like Google is going to introduce two new colorways with the Pixel 8 Duo, with Obsidian making a comeback from the Pixel 7. At least one leak suggested that there could be a matte black version of the Pixel 8, which we suspect is the Obsidian variant mentioned here. The current design of the Pixel models started with the Pixel 6 line in 2021, which featured the rear camera bar, which was refined with last year's Pixel 7 series and continues with the Pixel 8 models. It is different than anything else on the market today, so when you see the rear camera bar, you know that you are looking at a Pixel phone. It's interesting to point out that Google is also expected to refresh the Pixel Buds Pro with new Porcelain and Sky Blue colors, offering some credence to this new render leak. To be fair, Google has done its part to quell any mystery around the Pixel 8 color options, with the Pixel 8's Peony Rose variant being revealed a couple of weeks ago, while EvLeaks gave us an early glimpse of the Sky Blue colorway of the Pixel 8 Pro earlier this month. A lot is riding on the Pixel 8 series, much like any other Google flagship, particularly with all the hype surrounding the recent Apple iPhone 15 release. The Pixel 7 wasn't perfect by any stretch of the imagination, and there are some issues we want Google to fix with the next-gen smartphones. Overheating is one of those concerns, and according to a recent report, the all-new Tensor G3 chip can run cooler than the G2 found on the Pixel 7. Thanks to Samsung Foundry's fan-out wafer-level packaging method, Google will also introduce its second-gen smartwatch, the Pixel Watch 2, during the October 4 event. The new wearable is rumored to be a decent upgrade over its predecessor, which, per a recent revelation, arrived a year later than originally intended. So how do you like these new color options for the upcoming Pixel 8 lineup? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section, and for more updates, you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.